Welcome this video. Video title is Create and Cost Effect Back Deep Fence Panel Idea for Ultimate Privacy. Introducing Create a provide oases in your back deep. Do not have to break the bank. Whether you are look to keep nosy neighborhood at Brown. Simple way to enjoy your outdoor space without feel export. Install a privacy fence can transforming your back deep into a secluded sanctuary. Well explored the versatile of affectable back deep fence idea that often both provide and style without draining your wallet. Palette fence description. Palette fans are a budget friendly other than purple wood palette into a rustic and charm privacy panel. Cost panel can often be expected for free at a minimized cost. Location, business, or online marketplace. Installing simple demo the panel and use the individual cost for locate salt of panel. This aspect requires base skill but can be customized to fire and bacteria size and style. Bamboo saccharine description. Bamboo saccharine are an eco-friendly author that add a tropical touch to your backdrop while provide privacy. Cost Bamboo screen or request when complement to tranquil panel material. Install simple attach the bamboo roll to any explode fence or install post to create a fresh start screen. Bamboo screen and light weight and easy to work with market install to base. Cedar fence description. Cedar fence often both tropical and natural beauty mark its an effect other for homeowner on a budget. Cost while garden panel fence then sunset more explode any other on this list that long and low maintenance cost mark its a cost effect choose in the long range install carbon fence can be installed use traditional fence post or rule by other for a more modern and string light design use hormones are chain link fence with privacy sort description chain link fence is an affectable other that provide security and valuable but privacy. However, by add privacy salt, you can transforming a base change link fence into a provide base cost provide salt refresh blow size and come into various of color and style to match your aesthetic privacy. Install provide short and easy out into the opening of a link fence install enhance provide without the need and explode interior life privacy fence description a live privacy fence plants and currently to create a natural brink benefit your back deep and the outside world. Cost While most expensive than traditional fence, other are living provide fence can simple memory in the Lord those and cool cost property value. Installing plants, straws, and tree among the promoting of your backyard to create a lush and vibrant privacy fence. Be sure to choose plants that into your climax and request minimize main entrance to sub long team security. Recycle material fence description. Go create an easier friend by